Hey y'all, welcome back to Line to Wealth. I'm Claudie, and today I'm excited to share my top 12 faith-driven side hustles for 2025 that I believe can help us as Christian women make an impact while earning extra income. And listen, you'll want to stick around for the whole video because the last two business ideas might just surprise you. They're unique, they're meaningful, and there's so much potential for these ideas to really fill in a need in our communities. So let's get into it. So side hustle number 1, creating faith-based courses or ebooks. So all right, first up, creating faith-based courses or ebooks. This is a powerful way to share your wisdom and experiences with others in a way that's accessible and meaningful and long-lasting, whether it's about finding peace in God, managing finances with a biblical perspective, or sharing your personal testimony. An online course or ebook lets people learn from you at their own pace. Once you create it, it can keep bringing in income over time, and you'll be sharing something that helps others grow in faith. So let's start with side hustle number 2, tutoring or teaching with a faith-based twist. Next, if you have a gift for teaching, consider tutoring or teaching with a faith-based twist approach. This can be anything from math, reading, or even music, but with encouragement and positivity. You know what I'm saying? That reflects your values. A lot of parents love finding tutors who bring that extra level of care. And when you teach with faith, you're not only helping kids, you're academically, but also spiritually. You're planting seeds that can last a lifetime. You really are. So side hustle number 3, Christian coaching or mentorship. Now let's talk about it. Coaching or mentorship, if you've got experience, wisdom, or guidance to share, especially around faith, personal growth, or businesses, this can be a meaningful side hustle. Whether you're helping people make life decisions, grow spiritually, or get their faith-based businesses off the ground. Christian coaching allows you to guide others in a way that aligns with God's purpose. You're building people up and helping them step into their potential. You know what I'm saying? Side hustle number 4, faith-based blogging or content creation. Next up is faith-based blogging or content creation. If you're passionate about topics like faith, inspiration, or personal growth, why not start a blog or a social media page? You can share Bible tips, personal reflections, or daily encouragement, and over time, you can monetize with ads, sponsorships, or by creating and selling your own resources. People crave content that's real and faith-centered, so this is a way to reach them where they are. You know what I'm saying? So side hustle number 5, selling homemade faith-based goods. All right, if you're crafty, this one's for you. Selling handmade faith-based goods. This could be jewelry with Bible verses, prayer journals, or t-shirts with inspiring messages. People love unique, meaningful products, and it's a chance to create something that speaks to their hearts. You know what I'm saying? So plus, you're not just selling products, you're spreading a little reminder of God's love that people can carry with them every day. Side hustle number 6, virtual assistant for faith-based businesses. If you're organized and enjoy supporting others, consider becoming a virtual assistant for faith-based businesses. So many Christian entrepreneurs need help managing emails, scheduling, and social media, but they want someone who understands their values. You know what I mean? As a VA, you can work from anywhere, support someone's missions, and bring your faith into every interaction. So let's go on with side hustle number 7, faith-based Etsy shop. Let's talk about Etsy. A faith-based Etsy shop can be an amazing way to bring income. You could sell digital downloads like Bible verse principles, planners, prayer guides. The beauty of an Etsy shop is that once you create a product, it can keep selling again and again. If you're creative and have a message to share, this might be your sign to start something meaningful and make an impact. You know what I mean? Make an impact, guys. So side hustle number 8, writing or freelance Christian content. So now if you're good with words, think about freelance writing for Christian blogs, magazines, or websites. Many platforms are looking for faith-driven content like devotionals, articles, and even social media posts. This side hustle lets you share your perspective, inspire others, and earn a little money while doing something you're passionate about. So side hustle number 9, social media manager for Christian brands. Another great one is social media management for Christian brands. A lot of faith-based businesses want to connect with people online, but need a little help creating content that aligns with their message. If you know your way around social media and love creating content, this could be a great way to help brands grow and make a real impact. So side hustle number 10 is hosting virtual Bible studies or faith groups. That's a cool idea, guys. If you have a heart for community and teaching, hosting virtual Bible studies or faith groups, this could be an amazing way to make a difference in the digital world. People are searching for ways to connect and grow spiritually, especially nowadays. It's so hard to connect with people. You could lead discussions, share insights, or simply create a safe, supportive space. Plus, you can do it all from home. So, side hustle number 11, creating Christian books for Black children. All right, here's one this one's really close to my heart. Creating Christian books for Black children. There's such a gap in the market when it comes to representation in Christian kids' books, and our children need to see themselves in stories about God's love and purpose. You could create storybooks, Bible study guides, or even devotionals that reflect their experiences and culture. Fiverr is an awesome place to find illustrators who can bring your ideas to life. You know what I'm saying? So this isn't just a side hustle. It's a chance to bless our kids and fill in a real need. Like, we really need to get on that, guys, because our Black kids, they need it. And let's go with side hustle number 12, a Christian YouTube channel for Black children. Come on, I'm on YouTube, and definitely not least, think about starting a Christian YouTube channel specifically for Black children. This is such an opportunity because honestly, there's not enough content out there that speaks directly to Black kids in a way that's faith-centered and relatable. So you could share Bible stories, sing gospel songs, or teach simple prayers. And listen, these don't have to be a long videos. Short, engaging videos work great for kids. They really do. So if you're not sure where to start, Fiverr can help you. So people create short form videos or even animations. Imagine creating cartoons or stories that let Black kids see themselves and feel closer to Jesus through characters and stories they connect with. This side hustle is so much more than a business. It's a ministry. So there you have it. 12 faith-driven side hustles that can help you make an impact, like fill real needs and live with purpose in 2025. Whether it's creating content for kids, sharing your knowledge, or starting a small business, each of these ideals lets you live out your faith and bless others. And remember, side hustles aren't just about extra money. They're about using our gifts for something bigger than ourselves. Yes, it is. So if any of these ideals got you excited, like it got me excited, like let me know in the comments and let's talk about it. Which one speaks to you? Or maybe you've got a new idea you're already working on. Well, thank you so much for watching. If this video sparks some inspiration, maybe go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. so you don't miss any new videos. Let's make 2025 a year we step out in faith, build something meaningful, and make a difference. See you on the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.